Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by preparing the environment and making the first connection. Verify SQL Server and SSMS are installed, then add Microsoft. Data, SQL client to your project. Create a database and a simple table. This gives you a target to query. Next, build a connection string with server, database, and authentication. Store it in app settings, JSON, or user secrets. Once done, write a minimal console or WinForms app that opens SQL connection and confirms a successful open call so you know the pipeline works. Now you implement data access patterns and performance safeguards. Open SQL connection inside a using block, then create SQL command with parameter placeholders and add SQL parameter instances. This prevents injection. Prefer execute non-query async, execute reader async, and async streams for scalability. Enclose multi-statement operations in SQL transaction and set isolation level based on concurrency needs. Make sure to catch SQL exception and inspect number and state for specific failure modes. Also, to complete the workflow, adopt schema management and CI-friendly tests, then deploy. If you use Entity Framework Core, create and apply migrations, or use scripted migrations stored with source control so environments stay consistent. Create integration tests against a throwaway instance or Docker container to validate queries before deployment. When publishing, ensure firewall rules and connection strings and production secrets are correct, and enable retry logic for transient faults. Trouble tip: if things fail, inspect the SQL exception number and server error log, then verify credentials, firewall, and network connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.